Hi, I'm Lauren Brown. Welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today we have a luxury homeware unboxing from Bunny Williams for Ballard Designs. I have been really looking forward to this, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. Quick question for all of you viewers. Before I open the package, can you guess what I might have gotten from Bunny Williams for Ballard Designs? Pause right now and quickly type in the comment section what you think I received, and then come back and see if you're right. Okay, so I'm super excited. I do have a bit of a green juice here, so may take a sip every now and then. I hope that didn't sound horrible in the microphone. For the Bunny Williams for Ballard. Oh, maybe I'll open this on the floor and bring it up. That might be the best move. Okay, I have my scissors. Always remember to cut away from the body. I'm sorry you can't really see this. Yeah, if I put one box in front of the other. Yeah. All right, so you can at least kind of see, hopefully, the top. If not, just assume there's a box right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna, since I don't have a box cutter, you know, half a scissor works. Or is it a scissor because it's a pair of scissors? Is it considered, is one just a scissor? These are the questions. These are the pressing questions. Okay. Okay. All right. I should have definitely cut that this way because that almost got me. I don't know if you could see it. Again, please be smarter than me right now and cut away from your body. You can get very hurt if you're not paying attention. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to take this out. Ugh. It's everything I wanted. You guys are gonna laugh when you see this, and those of you who know what it is, good job. Those of you who are guessing right now. But like, excuse me, there's going to be quite a bit of noise. Okay, let's try this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I think I am in love. All right, let me just check to make sure you can see. Okay. So yes, I got the Bunny Williams for Ballard Designs brass waste basket. It's so cool because it looks like a little shopper tote. I'm gonna tilt it forward so you can see. Hopefully the light doesn't affect, but it's just way too cute. As someone who loves to shop, as someone who has seen many a shopping bag, there's something about this piece that when I saw it, I was like, I need to have it. It's a small thing, but it just adds so much personality. It makes me laugh. The fact is that seeing it very much made me laugh. So I feel like any kind of homeware item or piece of art or item of clothing, anything that makes you genuinely laugh from happiness, is worth getting. Even if it's the smallest thing, even if it's literally a garbage bin. It's got really nice solid handles, heavy construction, Really nice finish to the metal. I'm getting fingerprints all over it, but I mean, it is a wastebasket, so I guess we shouldn't be too worried. But yeah, so it has the beautiful Bunny Williams for Ballard Designs card here. I like it. So yes, did you guess? Did you get it right? Did you know that this was the piece? If you did, kudos, and also let me know. Do you like this? Would you get this? Would a brass shopping bag wastebasket appeal to you? Yeah, curious minds, inquiring minds want to know. I'm just gonna set it down on the ground just to see what it looks like. Yeah, height-wise it hits at about the knee, but it's got a nice amount of space. I love this. I have no disappointments whatsoever. You know, that's the wonderful thing about when you go shopping and you pick up a thing that's been kind of lingering in your mind for a while, as something that you're just like, yeah, I'll get that eventually. One day, at some point, you know, I'll remember and pick it up. And when you finally do remember to pick it up, oh, it feels so good. There are dupes for this piece if you do not want a brass wastebasket. There are plastic ones. I was considering at one point potentially doing a fun DIY where I'd get a plastic waste bin that's shaped like a shopping bag, and then using like Krylon or some kind of, you know, Rust-Oleum. I'm not endorsing any particular brand here, but hey, if you guys want me to endorse, I will happily do so. But yeah, using one of those paints, potentially creating my own, and I think honestly it would look very beautiful. I just really like Bunny Williams as well. She's one of my favorite designers. Wanted a piece from her because it just made me laugh. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna bring it back up again just so you can have a quick look. So this is the front. The sides, it dips in just like a shopping bag would, so that's very nice. And the back is the same as the front. So this is what it looks like bottom view, or should I say top view. And then this is the underside. So I am pleased. And I will repeat this again in a moment, but this piece, you probably want to see, what does it look like? You know, how are you fitting it into your decor, Lauren? And Lauren says, yes, I'm referring to myself in the third person. Lauren says that you will get to see that in an upcoming decor reveal. So do stay tuned and look out for that. It's going to be in the Luxury Mini Bar and Tea Station episode 3. So if that's not out yet, definitely subscribe. And if it is out, go watch that. I don't know where the link is, but go watch that. All right. I'm so excited. Yes. Were you right? And that concludes our luxury homeware unboxing, Bunny Williams for Ballard Designs. I really loved the brass of the piece and was so excited to see it. You'll get to see the piece in location in our mini bar part 3 episode. So if you're watching this afterwards, be sure to go and watch that video. And if you have not seen that video yet because it's not up, please be sure to like the video here. It helps the channel a lot. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell so you can see not only more of our luxury homeware unboxings, but also get to see what the piece looks like when it's in situ. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. I'm Lauren Brown. From me to you, I'll see you in the next one.